So today we will be creating like a bouncing ball. It's just bouncing off the edge and it's going to random places. And it's not like sewing that random thing, it's just bouncing. That's good, right? So it's the ending. It will be like this. It would when we're done. It's gonna look like this. It's just bouncing, bouncing, and bouncing. That's good. Now let's just open up a project and let's name this like bouncing ball. Okay. Now let's add a ball spray. Okay, let's just search ball. Let's use the Scratch Cat. Yeah. So the ball came. Now we're gonna add when green flag clicked, point in direction 45. Okay, that's a good direction. Now we're gonna add a forever block, and we're gonna add like if on edge bounce. Yeah, we're gonna add like move 15 steps. Then if on edge bounce. It's just bouncing, it's moving. And if we want to make that faster, we could like make the move steps like that looks good. Now let's just add a good background. Every game should have a good background. Let's add woods. Yeah, the woods. Ball bouncing in the woods. Yeah, that looks nice. Just bouncing like that and that. It's like bouncing. That's so good. So I hope this video helped you. I'll see you next time. Bye.